In this video, I will show you how to create complex charts in no time using Empower. Today we will take a look at the so-called mixed charts. Mixed charts consist of lines and bars or columns in one chart. A typical use case for a mixed chart is illustrating sales volumes, for example, of the products A, B, C, and D that you can see right here as columns, and the share price as a line in the same chart. To create such a chart, I firstly link this Excel range to a new PowerPoint object. I can choose a column chart as the starting point of my work and select the placeholder where I want to create my chart. Now you can see that the share prices and the sales volumes are both displayed as columns. To change this, I navigate the Series menu above my chart, and here you can see that I can select for each series the type that this series should use. Right now each series uses the column, but I want to change the series of the share price to a line. Obviously, the share price values are in a different dimension than the sales volumes. Therefore, I want to set this series to use a secondary value axis, which I can do in the series menu as well, right here. This way, I can use a different scale for this series, and all data points remain easily understandable. Furthermore, the share prices line should be displayed above the columns so that they are easier to recognize. I can achieve this effect by simply pushing my columns down a bit. By clicking on the value axis and the settings wheel right here, I can define the maximum of this axis manually. This creates some space for the line in my chart. Additionally, it can be helpful to know that when working with two axes, it is possible to create breaks for each axis separately. You can also adjust the data labels for each axis individually. In the Series menu, I can define which series uses which axis. If I want to swap the positions of the axis, I can do this with a click right here. Soon, version 9.6 of Empower will be available. In this version, you can create mixed charts even more easily, as you can see in this screenshot. The mixed charts will be offered directly as a starting chart in the Empower Charts menu right here. I hope this video has helped you to understand how easy it is to create a mixed chart using Empower. Thanks for watching and goodbye.